Everyone is always asking me how to use the body scrub, so I'm going to show you. Now, this body scrub is created with shea butter, cocoa butter, and other luxurious oils. So you want to use this on clean skin. So after you shower, you can stay in the shower, but just make sure your body is wet. And then go ahead and apply it a generous amount. Go ahead and apply it all over your skin and concentrate on areas like rough areas like your elbows and your knees. Once you do that, you can rinse it off with cool water and then pat dry. Once you do that, your skin should be soft, smooth, and you will not need any lotion afterwards. So you can see here my skin is smooth. You can see the shine. It's kind of hard to see it with the light, but then you can kind of see it here. You can see the ash on my back, the part I didn't use a scrub on, and then my arm there is super moisturized. You won't need any lotion. Your skin is good to go. And then you'll also have a shine here. So you see the little shimmer. So if you want to try a sample, go ahead and order it on diamondsbydominique.com.